Case study number 7. This question is very important. So let's see the story. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are playing a game. Amar climbs 5 stairs and gets down 2 stairs in one turn. Akbar goes up by 7 stairs and comes down by 2 stairs every time. Anthony goes 10 stairs up and 3 stairs down each time. Doing this, they have to reach to the nearest point of 100 stairs and they will stop once they find it impossible to go forward. They cannot cross 100 stairs in any way. Simple, it is a game. It is a question like class 6. Just it is given in the form of a story or case. So these questions are very simple and they will help to improve your scores in the exams. 5 MCQ type question in each case study and you have to opt only 4. So here you can see and watch and try to understand the story. Amar, in one turn 5 minus 2, it means 3 stairs only. Similarly, Akbar, 7 minus 2 equal to 5 stairs only in one turn. And the longest, otherwise highest, by Anthony in one turn, 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So all the three numbers 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. This is the story based on purely the common multiples of prime numbers. Now see the questions one by one. Question number 1. How many times can they meet in between on same stairs? Same stair means just common multiple of all three. Option A is 3, option B is 4, option C is 5 and option D is no, they cannot meet in between on same stairs. So students, just write down all the common multiples of 3, 5 and 7. See, I am telling Amar, so I told already 5 minus 2, 3. Akbar, 7 minus 2, 5 and Anthony, 10 minus 3, that is 7. So when you will write all the multiples, then you will see that there is no any common multiples, no any common number between all these three. Common multiple will be just only 1 and 2, 2 and 3, maybe 1 and 3. But no number is common, no multiple is common of Amar, Akbar and Anthony. So here option number D. Okay, no, they cannot meet in between on same stairs. Question number 2. What is the first stair where any 2 out of 3 will meet together? Amar and Akbar will meet for the first time on 15th stair. B. Akbar and Anthony will meet for the first time on 35th stair. C. Amar and Anthony will meet for the first time on 21st stair. D. Amar and Akbar will meet for the first time on 21st stairs. Now you got the clue. How can you find the answer? Just simply write down the multiples and find the common between any two. So see, the smallest, otherwise the lowest is 15th. It means Amar and Akbar, because common is 15, that is 3 and 5. 3 5 ja 15, 5 3 ja. So option number A is correct. Now question number 3. What is the second stair where any 2 out of 3 will meet together? So same thing, just try to find the common multiple between any 2. Amar and Akbar will meet on 21st stair. B. Akbar and Anthony will meet on 35th stair. C. Amar and Anthony will meet on 21st stair. D. Amar and Anthony will meet on 35th stair. So same thing, just try to find the common multiple. This time 21th and 35, but 21 is given. So here you have to choose Amar and Anthony, that is option number C. So Amar and Anthony will meet on 21st stairs, option number C. Now question number 4. Who takes least number of steps to reach near 100? Okay, so based on the story, you can see Anthony is taking the longest move in one turn. So you got the clue here. The right answer is C, Anthony. Okay, A is Amar, B is Akbar, C is Anthony, D is all of them take equal number of steps. So answer is C. Question number 5. Who reaches the nearest point? A, Amar, B, Akbar, C, Anthony, D all together reach to the nearest point. So the question is also based on the same common multiples 3, 5 and 7. Now just write down all the common multiples. So you will see Amar will go maximum 97 and Akbar 95 and Anthony 91. So nearest point is 97. So option number A is correct. So students, if you are new on my channel, so like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel EduTerra.